This really smells good, you guys.
It's alright, I can make it home by myself. I've got your words inside my mind. Nobody told me it was gonna turn.
Hey girly girl, welcome back to another FaceTime call. It is so rainy outside, it is not funny. I would say it has been raining here for the last 72 hours non-stop. I was literally at one point wondering if I needed to go on the road, but I knew that I had to get some groceries, so I went ahead with my kiddos and I just quickly grabbed those and I came right back home. And I felt like this was the perfect opportunity to create a really nice cozy evening fall vibes type of video and really just relax, do some baking and just really romanticize this fall evening because outside is really mucky. Believe me when I say it's getting super cold. But anyways, welcome to my Romanticizing Fall in 2024 diaries. Now I went ahead and I purchased this pumpkin spiced pumpkin bread. I'm so excited to try this right now. So we are going to go ahead and bake this. Now I want you to mind your business and ignore my nails. I took off my gel X earlier on today because I wanted to give my nails a little day break before I go ahead and redo them. So that's why they're looking like a little bit of a mess, but mind your business and don't pay attention to my nails. So if this is not your first time on my channel, then you would definitely know that I'm on a reinventing her journey. You know that I'm learning how to rediscover myself in this season of my life. And so girl, this is just a part of one of the activities that I truly love to do, and that is baking. I just find a time in my life where I get slow and I get present with myself, and this is one of the activities that I also use to heal. Baking has really made me feel present. It has brought me to a place of consciousness and being present in me, and I really do appreciate it. I really do love it. and more so the meals that I have been preparing have really been coming out good, so I am very much all for it. I'm in for it, I'm loving it, and so I just want this to be a very cozy vlog, one that will inspire you to get cozy as well. And I know many of you may not be in a part of the world that you can also experience the fall season, but through the lens of my camera girl, you will enjoy it, and I know you will feel as though you are literally living here in New York City just the very same. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to bake this pumpkin bread. We are going to get really super cozy, and we're just going to enjoy ourselves, be mindful of the fact that the rain outside is just a reminder to us to slow down, be calm, be present, and just to embrace the moment as it is raining like crazy outside. And if you did not know, yes, fall season here in New York City, 99% of the time it rains. So if it is that you are ever planning to move to New York City, just be mindful of the fact that most of the days you're going to be stuck in your raincoat, in your big jacket, your big boots, with your hair all covered up, sis. That's what New York City is really about for at least 80% of the year. I would say at least 80% of the year you're in jackets and you're all covered up. So I would encourage you to be very mindful of that. But anyways, let's go ahead and bake our pumpkin bread. Y'all, this pumpkin bread, oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my god, this really smells good, you guys. It smells amazing. Definitely fitting for the cold and the raininess that's going on outside. Yeah, this is coming together so nicely.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric.
Guys, the pumpkin bread is finally finished, and oh my god, it smells so good, it looks so good.
I know July is gone, you make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love.
Guys, just take a look at my pumpkin bread. Oh my god, this came out so gorgeous. It is looking fabulous, but for some reason I have no idea where I went wrong with the icing. It seems as though I put a little bit too much of the water in there, as well as I put some lemon juice in there because I felt like I wanted it to be a bit sour. But I kid you guys not when I say it tastes so wonderful.
It's alright, I can make it home by myself. I've got your words inside my mind. Nobody told me it was gonna turn out like this, but that's alright, that's alright, that's alright. I watch the sun climbing over buildings and bridges. I guess we lost track of time. Nobody knew it was gonna turn out like this, but that's alright, that's alright, that's alright. What do you want from me? Ooh, what do you want from me? Ooh, you know it's been tough for me, it's like I'm in agony every time I see you. I wonder what's left of me, ooh, or maybe this is the death of me, yeah. It's my history, this is the best of me. Here is the rest of me, yeah. Na na na. Thinking back, trying to make out where we went wrong. Got this feeling inside, but you got yours, I've got mine. That's alright, that's alright, that's alright. What do you want from me? Ooh, what do you want from me? Ooh, you know it's been tough for me, it's like I'm in agony every time I see you. I wonder what's left of me, ooh, or maybe this is the death of me, yeah. It's in my history, this is the best of me. Here is the rest of me, yeah. Na na na. What do you want from me? Ooh, what do you want from me? Ooh, you know it's been tough for me, it's like I'm in agony every time I see you. I wonder what's left of me, ooh, or maybe this is the death of me, yeah. It's in my history, this is the best of me. Here is the rest of me, yeah. Maybe I shouldn't call you, I want you, I love you.
were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh. Then one day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you, and I wanted you to know. He looked at her and then he smiled, picked up a pen and paper, and started writing. Probably something about her eyes and how they're always shining, or something cliche like, ooh, baby, I only want you. It's true. And then he said, I wrote you a love song,